Stay until the end of the video and subscribe and get your free travel packing list. Welcome to Hawaii, America's tropical paradise. Nestled in the heart of the Pacific Ocean, Hawaii is a place of unparalleled beauty and cultural richness. From its unique geographical location to its vibrant mix of cultures, Hawaii stands out as a gem among the 50 states. Hawaii is the only U.S. state made entirely of islands, boasting an incredible 137 islands in its archipelago. However, the main action happens on just 4 of them: Oahu, the Big Island, Maui, and Kauai. Oahu, home to the bustling city of Honolulu and the historic Pearl Harbor, is the most populated island. It's a melting pot of cultures, with Asian Americans making up the largest ethnic group here. Oahu's vibrant urban life is balanced by its serene beaches and historical landmarks. But Hawaii is more than just beautiful landscapes. It's a cultural tapestry woven with influences from East and West, making it one of the most ethnically diverse states in the U.S. Each island offers its own unique flavor. Maui is renowned for its world-class beaches and the scenic Hana Highway. The Big Island is home to active volcanoes and stargazing adventures atop Mauna Kea. Kauai, often called the Garden Isle, captivates with its lush landscapes and tranquil vibe. Hawaii's islands are bound together by a rich tradition of Aloha spirit, a cultural ethos that emphasizes love, peace, and compassion. Whether you're attending a luau, learning to hula, or simply sharing a meal with locals, you'll feel the warmth of Hawaiian hospitality everywhere you go. But getting around Hawaii presents a unique challenge due to its geographical layout. Unlike other archipelagos around the world that heavily rely on ferry transportation, Hawaii lacks a robust ferry system between its main islands. This might seem puzzling at first, considering the popularity of ferries in regions like Greece and Alaska. Instead, short flights are the primary mode of inter-island travel, dominated by carriers like Hawaiian Airlines. While this might be more convenient and quicker, it raises questions about the potential for ferry services, which have struggled to become viable due to Hawaii's unique environmental and logistical challenges. Despite these challenges, Hawaii's allure remains undeniable. The islands are a haven for adventurers, romantics, and anyone seeking a slice of paradise. From the majestic cliffs of the Nepali coast to the vibrant coral reefs teeming with marine life, Hawaii's natural wonders inspire awe and tranquility. Yet for many travelers, the dilemma lies in finding an affordable place to stay. With Hawaii being one of the most expensive states, it can be a challenge to enjoy the islands without breaking the bank. But don't worry, dear viewers, and especially our senior travelers, we've got you covered. We've curated a list of the best, most affordable accommodations to ensure your Hawaiian adventure is both luxurious and budget-friendly. Just click the description below this video to explore your options. So, whether you're planning your first trip or returning for another taste of paradise, Hawaii promises an unforgettable experience filled with beauty, culture, and aloha. Mahalo for joining us on this journey of discovery. We can't wait to see you in Hawaii.